Hello everyone, this is DM2194. It is a 1999 Toyota Celsior B-Type ER version. This is being sold through our premium inventory, so mechanically it is good to go. It obviously looks freaking amazing. It's got these 19-inch equips, the Auto Couture aero, K-brake spoiler on the back there, tinted out windows. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd love to answer whatever questions you might have. But I'm just going to take you around and show this beautiful thing off to you. Black leather interior, factory floor mats. We have a Garson Dad VIP tray table there, pretty cool. Got some bedazzling going on here on the Toyota emblem. I like it. And then you can see it's got some additional wood grain bits too. Matches up with the factory really nice, which is good. Factory wood grain steering wheel. Spare. Looks like it is missing the jack, but we do have the factory wheel chocks there. One UZ FE. See the tops of the Algernon coilovers there. These custom headlights. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.